The celebration of Thanksgiving, as we know it today, started with 100 pilgrims on board the Mayflower. In the year 1620, the pilgrims landed at Plymouth Rock. A poor harvest caused much devastation. It is believed the pilgrims would not have survived had it not been for the natives. The harvest of 1621 was bountiful, and the first Thanksgiving feast was held with the pilgrims and the natives. And in 1789, George Washington proclaimed the National Day of Thanksgiving, but it was opposed by President Thomas Jefferson.
President Jefferson opposed having a Thanksgiving Day, but with my efforts in my 40-year campaign, President Lincoln in 1863 proclaimed the last Thursday of November for this day.
Thank you, Sarah Josephina Hale. As a notable magazine editor with editorials in the Boston Ladies magazine, your efforts led to what we know as a Day of Thanksgiving.
In 1941, Congress sanctioned Thanksgiving as a legal holiday. Enjoy this special day, and let it be a day of thanks for all.